So we have our swing arm and linkage back. Had a bit of work done where it was damaged. Basically looking new again now. So really pleased with that work. A little bit of weld on there. And fix the chain slider tab and dog bone. We just ground down a little bit. Turns out it wasn't corrosion. And we're now gonna put the bearings in. New bearings installed. So now the fun part, installing all the good stuff. New chain blocks, sliders, adjusters, yeah. They've seen better days. Much better. Get that grease in there, yes. Fresh seals and every area and part you can think of. A lot of parts were just completely destroyed, so including this one, all rusted. So I managed to get that. New nipple. All sorts of goodies. Okay, so it's time to build the rear caliper. Got new retainers, piston, bleeder, and a rebuild kit. So should be good as new. Just installed the new seals. And now it's time for a brand new, genuine Honda piston. Oh, beautiful. Like a glove. Oh, gotcha. God damn, that was not easy. Okay, so I'm just testing out the front fender with the updated front end 47mm shower from CRF. I've drawn a little template on there to see how it lines up, and it's basically the same. So I'm going to experiment, drill a couple of holes and see how it lines up. All bolts done. Really happy with the way that turned out. That was easy. See a lot of people having to drill holes in different places, and but this was perfect. It actually lined up. So once the front end's finished, it's going to look something like this, which is pretty cool. Okay, so the time has come to finally install the freshly rebuilt 1993 CR250 engine. I've offered pretty much most of the bike up to see how it sits. All the engine mounts, bolts, pegs, gas tank, subframe, fenders. Everything is sitting nicely. And now I can put the heart of this motorcycle in the frame. Today is a good day. I think this is one of the most exciting pieces on the entire build. I'm just blown away by the look of this thing. Absolutely amazing. We've got new collars and rubbers for the exhaust mounts, so I'm going to put them on now and reveal this beauty. Absolutely amazing. I don't think these old steel frame builds are complete without a set of Works Connection frame guards. Also got some Prime MX ones as well, as they cover a little extra area on the frame that are prone to boot rub. Okay, so we have what I hope is the last box of assorted small pieces, parts, nuts and bolts, etc. from Fowler's. Fingers crossed I've got everything now. And a clutch cable, which I'm excited to put on. There's the all-important rear shock bolt. nut, whatever you want to call it. So I'll get that torqued up. There. Lovely. We even replaced this little seal in here and put a new arm on. Lifter arm, I think it's called. I am extremely happy to announce that I have located 2 wheels for the build. We have a 2002 front wheel from a CRF 450, and we have a CR125 rear wheel with the same hub as what a 93 would have. It does have an XL Takasago rim and has been rebuilt at some stage. I will be changing these spokes so that they look more OEM, because those are not the most attractive spokes, nipples. And the plan is to rebuild these wheels with fresh spokes and get the hubs powder coated, and I will be powder coating them the original Honda colour from the year, so it's period correct. So this hub is going to be painted the same as this. Brand new sprockets. I'll be having brand new discs on both wheels. I think the spokes on this are pretty good, so when we take it apart we'll check all that and we'll make the wheels true. So yeah, very excited. I think this CRF rim is in pretty good order. So it's going to look something like that. Very cool. Now we've just greased up the bolts. We're going to remove the disc and the sprocket. We've got to remove both bearings from each wheel. Remove all the spokes. Both bearings out of both wheels. Too bad. Every single spoke came off except for one, which I had to grind off. A lot of these have got rusty threads. Alright, we've removed all of the rust from the threads with rust remover, wiped clean, and then I've put it on the polishing wheel. So I'm going to save all these spokes, just need to get one. Alrighty, so we got our hubs ready. We're getting these painted ASAP. And we're going to get this rim tidied up.